Welcome to Missy English. Let's look at 50 of the most used phrases in English. Let's begin. I don't understand. I don't understand. Please repeat that. Please repeat that. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Excuse me. Can you help me? Excuse me. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. Yes, I can help you. No, I can't do that. No, I can't do that. How much does it cost? How much does it cost? I would like a coffee, please. I would like a coffee, please. Can I have the check, please? Can I have the check, please? What time is it? What time is it? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How do you spell that? How do you spell that? What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? Where do you work? Where do you work? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? I love to travel. I love to travel. How was your day? How was your day? It's raining outside. It's raining outside. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I'm tired. Can you speak slower, please? Can you speak slower, please? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? I have a question. I have a question. Can you help me with my homework? Can you help me with my homework? Can I borrow a pen? Can I borrow a pen? I'm lost. I'm lost. Where is the nearest supermarket? Where is the nearest supermarket? I'm learning English. I'm learning English. What's the date today? What's the date today? I need a doctor. I need a doctor. Can I take a message? Can I take a message? Can you pass me the salt? Can you pass me the salt? I'm sorry, I'm late. I'm sorry, I'm late. Are you ready? Are you ready? I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Can you give me directions? Can you give me directions? I like your shirt. I like your shirt. This is my friend. This is my friend. Can we meet later? Can we meet later? I have to go now. I have to go now. Can you recommend a good restaurant? Can you recommend a good restaurant? I'm on vacation. I'm on vacation. Where can I charge my phone? Where can I charge my phone? Have you seen her? Have you seen her? Can you turn off the light? Can you turn off the light? Now you've learned 50 basic phrases in English that you need to know. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye!